Hey, my cookies. It's been a while since we made something sweet together. So today I am going to show you how I make these cute mini layered cakes. Let's bake. Of course, we're going to need some cake batter. Believe it or not, I'm using boxed cake mix. On my blog, I show you all types of tricks, substitutions, and different additives you can use to make boxed cake mix taste homemade and bakery quality. So be sure to click that link in the description box or just use your own recipe for a sheet cake. Here I have two 9 by 13 pans lined with parchment paper, and what I'm going to do is divide the batter in half. Spread it out evenly in each pan and bake it according to the recipe, but you may have to keep checking it because since they're thin layers, it may not take as long as a normal cake. When your cakes are done, allow them to cool completely, and then using a cookie cutter or a biscuit cutter, we're going to cut some little circles out. And now we get to decorate and be creative. So I'm using vanilla chai buttercream. I'll link the recipe in the description box. And you just fill it in however you want. I'm using a piping tip to make it easier with a piping bag, but use whatever you have. Cookies, have fun. I'm no professional. You can see I was jacking these up, but they were cute to me. So just have fun. And we're going to create 3 layers. And for the top layer, you can do whatever you like. You can add more icing, some candies, fruit, flowers. Just make sure they're food safe flowers and that they're organic and free of pesticides. You don't want anybody getting sick from your little cute little cakes, okay? Just make sure it's safe. And cookies, that's it. Look how cute the little baby is with the little flower on top. Thank you so much for watching. Click the link in the description box for more information and to get those tips on making box cake taste homemade. Thank you so much for watching, cookies. I appreciate you guys, and until next time, be blessed.